Hello, you lovely 239 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my little random channel about Ironheads. Today I have decided that maybe time is to fix my 1970 iron and remove these little ass scratchers on the end of the mic, which once were my Sissy bar. I ripped it off on the last ride, so I am going to try to make a new one, and this time hopefully an improved version, which maybe my fault was of making it from a tube rather than a solid bar. So I bought myself a solid bar, and I'm gonna try to bend the new one and see how we go. And yeah, that's gonna be the process. I'm gonna measure the old one, see what we got, and I'm gonna bend the whole new pipe proper, and if it's become a bit longer and taller, then so be it. Yeah, never mind, eh? Sissy bars can be super tall. That'll be sweet. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we got here is tube. I have some as my broken bar, fresh bar. I have some basic measurements, and I do have a little selection of a bender. I have built myself a little extension, because when I was bending, the tube never was in 90 degrees, it was always slightly off, so this little extra piece just gives me more support. And the extra tools are right here. I have welded a little frame for the bender to sit on with few bars. Don't excuse my welding, but then that I can sit it into my vise either way, so I can finish the welding bending. So I'm gonna get it set up, measure the bar, and start bending. First bend's done, just about right. My measurements marking there, my marks there, so we're not too bad. And now I just keep going, making this Sissy bar. Alrighty, so my little trusty pipe bender, we have new Sissy bar. It's the old one, new one. So the new one's gonna be considerably taller, but hey, it's a 70s chopper, so it's gonna stick out. She'll be alright. She'll be happy girl. Alright, let's do some chopping and welding, and we'll get to it. brackets are mounted in the struts, so to get to that I decided that instead of taking the whole wheel off, I'll just drop off the shocks and everything drops out, so I have an excess on the inside. So we got it. I have a bike is sitting very precariously on just piece of wood, no other support, but that's okay. And if I have a sweat on my head, it's about 34 degrees Celsius here in New Zealand, so what does that be? Maybe, let's see, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. Anyhow, I need to clean this up, cut all this extra stuff off and weld the new pieces in, and my solid bar will be in there. Okay, let's get some cutting done. Well, you may or may not be surprised, I have put shoes on for this occasion. I'm kind of tired of getting my feet burnt, so shoes are on. Alright, so first welding is done. Sissy bar is on. It's pretty taller than the last one, but it's fun. I like the angle. It's pretty good. She's there. I just need to weld the bracing. That's why I put a fender, and I didn't tighten everything up, but at least it's holding it together. And boys and girls, if you're gonna weld something on a motorbike, do remember to take the power off the battery. Remove your cowbells, otherwise you fry your battery. I know you all know that, but you know, won't hurt to repeat. Well, there she is. We have made it. It's on a taller side, but I kind of like it. I'll take a video of her being outside without all the distractions. Should be strong enough for now. Alright. It's a job done. Now I can go back to my 79 and start working on the brakes. There we go. But maybe a joyride first.